Actually, these wild dogs are the most successful predators out here. Right, 70% of their hunts are successful.
Wow.
And there's the alpha male. The guy walking at the back.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
Alpha
He's
male.
limping. Well, look at the size of his balls.
Oh, nice. Nice. Take down, too.